Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to make this baggy jumbo pant. As you can see, my recreation is what is in the middle. Is this what you like to make? Kindly stay tuned to the channel. So for this trouser, I made use of 3 yards of Ankara fabric. This method is actually a 1 fit method. That is, it can size from, I think, from size 8 till size. If you're into ready to wear, this method is actually for you. All you just need to do is fold your fabric, unfold, fold 18 inches, mark out your desired length. Then you minus 1.5 inches for your band. Mark out your desired length. Then after that, after marking out your desired length, then you mark out your crotch depth, which is always, your crotch depth is always your hip divided by 4 plus 1.5 inches. So I made use of 13.5 for this. If you're into ready to wear, then follow this method. If you're sewing for a bigger clutch, you can make it 14.5. Come in by 2.5 inches at that side, at the crotch line. Mark what you have on the crotch line on the waistline, then connect the line. To get the curve, all you just need to do is go up by 1 inch, then connect it back to meet the line, and you create your curve. Because this is a baggy pant, we don't need the extra measurement that comes in making trouser. All you just need to do is connect it straight down. Now this part is optional. If you don't want it baggy, at the down part, go in by 1 inch and then connect to meet the crotch line. What I'm doing now is actually optional. In order to give this more shape, all I did is at the waistline I went in by 1 inch, and also at the length I went in by 1 inch, and I connected it to meet the crotch line. After that, I proceeded to cut. After cutting the front, all you just need for the back is fold your fabric. To fold the fabric for the front, since I made use of 18 inches for the front, so I'll be making use of, let's say, 21 inches to be on the safer side. On the upper part, mark down 2.5. That is the upper part, the waist part of your trouser should not be the same thing with that of the front because of the butt. That 2.5, connect it to meet your waistline. Then at the crotch line, you come out by 2.5 inches. Then on the waist, you come out by 2 inches. Connect it. Then at that curve area, you come out by 1 inches. After coming out by 1 inch, collect the lines together to the crotch curve for the back. And with that, we are almost done with the cutting part of this baggy jumbo pant. Then to the length, all you just need to do is mark down 2 inches from the side down to the hem length. Just like you see, 2 inches, you mark down 2 inches to the hem length. After marking it down, you proceed to cut it out. If you actually watch this, please don't forget to subscribe and like and turn off the notification bell for more. Now this is the sewing. We are going to join the crotch together. So all you just need at that crotch area for the front, pick the front together, pin it together, then mark out half an inch before you sew. Do the same thing for both the back and the front. And note, you are going to double stitch. Don't just stitch it once and leave it. Stitch it twice. After stitching the first one, stitch it again. You just follow what I'm doing in the video if you don't understand what I'm talking about. So pay attention. After stitching the first one, you notice I'm still going to run my stitch again. This is to ensure firmness and to avoid your trouser from losing. I hope you understand. After sewing for both the front and the back, we'll be attaching the side pocket. All you just need to do is fold the front piece together, then you cut out the quantity. That means you'll be cutting out a total of 4 pieces of fabric for your pocket. Then you mark out 3 inch at the side, then come down by 7 inch at the side, then connect before cutting out. 3 pieces to cut out. Then after that, you'll be taking out this fabric, the pocket pieces you've cut out for your fabric. I made use of 7 inch for the length, and for the width I made use of 5 inches. So I'm going to place what I cut out from the side on top of it to be sure. Then I'm going to recut. If you don't understand what I'm saying, then please pay attention to whatever it is I'm doing in the video. Now after cutting it out like this, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew. I'm going to take it and sew and also top stitch. You can see after sewing the first part, this is what I have. Do the same thing to both sides. Then you bring out the remaining part of your pocket. Note, I said in the beginning you are going to cut out 4 parts of this pocket. Then I'm going to place it on top of the already sewn half pocket. Pin it down, take it to my sewing machine, and then sew it. My sewing machine, and see, you can see that even without sewing it, it has formed. The second part I added has covered up for the 3.5 inch that we removed. So I'm now going to take it back to my sewing machine and sew just like the way I demonstrated in the video. So after sewing, this is what you have for the pocket. Do the same thing to both sides. Then the next step is to join the sides and side the crotch length, then hem the down part and also attach your band. So that's what I'm going to do. You can either sew the side by 2 inch or 1.5 inch, sew the crotch area by 1 inch, then you hem the down part by the total allowance you added to your fabric. Sorry. After that, I've gone ahead to do it. Then this place that this arrow is showing is the space I left for the rubber band to pass through. After adding what I'm going to do is that because this rubber band is stretchy, my waist is 30, so I'm minusing 2 inch from what I had on my waist, and I'm going to measure out 28. But to be on a safer side, I later went ahead to reduce the rubber band. I reduced it by 5 inches. So what I ended up using was 25 inch, not the 28 that I measured out in the video. So now I'm going to, using the safety pin, I'm going to pass the rubber band round the waistline. take it to your sewing machine, then you sew your band, sew it double stitching to avoid it from losing. Then I'm going to push it back inside the waist, and with that our trouser is ready. If you want to create that, all those effects it always have on the waistline, all you just need to do is sew 1/2 inch up and 1/2 inch, and with that has brought us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you and see you in my next video.